Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to delete undeletable files and folders in Windows. Did you try Shift-Delete not working as expected? Let's go start. Press the Windows key and type in the CMD, and click on CMD into the search bar. Open the CMD interface. To delete a file, use the following command. Type here rd/s /file or folder location path. After OK, there may be a prompt asking if you want to delete the file. If so, type Y and hit Enter. Please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.